Okay guys, time for the big reveal. It's Tuesday afternoon. I've been soaking both the clothespin spring and the nut, or the bolt I should say, the broken out bolt that I've been trying to rust away out of there since last Friday. I've changed this solution once. I did that Sunday evening. I changed the solution and put fresh stuff in there, both for the clothespin spring and for the broken out bolt. Just trying to reach my chopstick here, my wife's chopstick. So just going to test this out. Not getting much. I'm getting a little bubble now and then coming up. See that one in the middle? Not a big lot. If I poke it a bit, this is a wooden stick, so this is coming from the reaction with the metal. So I'm actually going to empty this now. And there's a little stream of, looks like a little cloud, little string of bubbles coming up there now. So I'm going to empty solution. You can see the big line of bubbles coming up there now where I restarted the reaction again. So I'm going to empty that solution. I'm going to empty this one. Let's see what we got. Probably do a comparison with this one. I'll show you the difference. There. Now that's after 5 days. So here's an original. You can see the difference. And not much left of that spring right now. Although it's still, I can't break it off. It's still springy, but you can definitely see the difference. How much that alum has, a little bit of hydrogen peroxide has definitely eaten away at that spring. So it's going to be interesting to see how much of that bolt got eaten away. The problem is that the broken bolt doesn't have as much surface area to react with the alum. So it's harder for it to, to keep the reaction going, I suppose. Anyway, we're going to tear this apart and see exactly how much of the bolt may have dissolved once I tear this apart, and we'll get a look at this. There's a lot of old glue I gotta tear off from this. Get the old glue out of there. Trying to do it one-handed, of course. Alright, there we go. And try to keep from making too much mess here on this. Hopefully I can poke at this thing here now, and we'll see what's going on. So there's a bit of rust there, but in terms of depth, I'm sorry about the shaky camera work, but let's just see. Really, I haven't gotten any more distance out of it. So, I mean, that's the solid. I'm starting to see the silver part of the metal there now. So, to be honest with you, I still got a lot of work to try to get this out. If you consider, we look at it from this side, the top of the bolt is probably here, and it extends down to here. So there's that much space there. I mean, this is going to take forever. That's 4 days. Granted, I didn't keep the water boiling, which some of them do to keep the water hot. But no, there's no distance there at all. I'm going to have to go with another plan to see if I can get this apart. Anyway, just thought you'd be interested.